Yo guys, welcome back, and today we are doing another weather forecast on all about the tropics. Check out my live streaming channel. I'm live streaming later tonight, probably when this is uploaded. So it will be in the link. It'll be in the description. So check that out, and check out the Discord server. It's in the description down below. But anyways, from that, we are currently checking out the tropics. So it's looking like what stands out as a tropical storm? I say this does, and this. You can see so much weather leaving the circulation, the roticity from it. But this has the tropical storm Laura has just fired up overnight. Well, it hasn't even been overnight. It just has been looking so good today. And you can see another tropical wave right there that's about to come off the coast of Africa. We can look at that in a second. Hold on. Let's get the Africa map up. Here it is. So this is the African map. So you can see this tropical this tropical wave, and a lot more coming soon, and then this a lot of weather. But first we're gonna look at tropical storm Marco. So as you can see, it has tropical storm warnings out for a tiny bit of Cuba, and it's forecast to become a hurricane and then make a landfall near Louisiana. Wait, in Louisiana, near New Orleans, and there are hurricane watches out for the Louisiana coast. And then it's forecast to die down to a tropical storm. And yeah, now we're gonna be looking at the tropical storm force wind speed probabilities. So it's looking like about 80 to 90% chance of tropical storm force winds for New Orleans. So it's about 70 to 80 to 90% chance of tropical storm force winds for New Orleans. These are some plots of models. They actually have spread out a lot more, but most models show it hitting Louisiana. Here are some more model runs. So it's looking like about New Orleans is about right there. So it's about showing it hitting a tiny south of New Orleans, but they still could be hit. This GFS Paratrax is a lot more spread out. It shows it could be hitting Texas, which I say that's out the question at the moment. Here are some more model tracks. So most of these show it hitting Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, or Florida. Here is Tropical Storm Marco model intensity guidance. So it looks like almost every model agrees that it's gonna be a at least Category 1 hurricane and possibly a Cat 2. Not every model says Cat 2, but I say it could be. This is the IR long wave satellite imagery of Marco. It is looking pretty organized, but not as organized as the LoRa, which you guys will see in a little bit. But it still has some very cold cloud tops. This is the a satellite imagery of visible satellite imagery, and right here you can see some flare up of activity, and right there. Now we're gonna talk about Tropical Storm Laura, which looks a lot more organized than Marco, but it ain't. But Marco is stronger. Oh. Well, it's now forecast. Laura's now forecasted to go over the highest mountain range in the whole Caribbean. Go right over Dominican Republic and Haiti, go right over Cuba, and then get into the Gulf and strengthen into a hurricane. This is the wind speed, the tropical storm force wind speed probabilities. So it's well, these storms are gonna pretty much hit in the same exact place, which is very bad. If you guys live in anywhere in Louisiana, watch these videos with a grain of salt, because none of these actually could be true, but you never know. So it's looking like for Dominican Republic and Puerto Rico, about 90 to 100% chance of tropical storm force winds. These are the model runs. So it's looking like hitting, they're a lot more spread out, but most of them hit Louisiana, Texas, Mississippi, Alabama, Georgia, or Florida. Here's some more model track guidance. So in this run, it looks like they agree a lot more. This one they agree a lot more too. Now we're gonna talk about the model intensity guidance. So this this storm is looking really powerful. Even though it's over the uh highest mountain ranges in the whole Caribbean, it still looks like once it gets into the Gulf, it could strengthen into Cat 2, Cat 3, or Cat 4 if is possible. Now we're gonna look at the satellite imagery. You guys can see why I'm talking about. Look how much pink. If you guys don't know, pink is negative 80 to negative 90 Celsius. The colder the cloud tops, the stronger the thunderstorm. Just look how organized it is right now. And you can see some purples right there. And now look at this. Boom, 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 boom. Watch this area. That is just gonna flare. That is just gonna flare up with energy. Boom. That just spells trouble of a strengthening tropical storm. Now we're gonna look at the visible satellite imagery. Looking pretty good. Actually, it's a huge storm. This is a radar. So there are a lot of radars on like Puerto Rico and places like that. So the storm is looking pretty good on radar. This is now we're gonna look at the water vapor image, water vapor satellite. So you can see there's not much dry air affecting these storms. The yellows are about negative 18. Hold on. Chill. Ugh. Hashtag coronavirus. Okay, but looking like, let's pause this thing right there. So that's about right now. Wait, this is right now. So you can see some yellow. That is some dry air, but it's looking not that bad. It has a lot. It has only that in front of it, which the whole storm together is bigger than that. And now we're gonna look at the water temperatures ahead of the storm in Celsius. So it's about right there. So it's looking like the Gulf is just 38 degrees Fahrenheit. Hold on. Alexa, what is 30 degrees Celsius in Fahrenheit? 86 degrees in Fahrenheit. Alexa, thank you. I will. Uh-huh. But so the Gulf is 85 Fahrenheit. That's just warm. This is okay. That was today's weather forecast on the tropics. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Check out the live streaming channel in the link down below because we will be doing a live stream tonight, talking about the tropics and possibly playing some Bed Wars. So if you guys want to see that, check out the live streaming channel in the description of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and have a great night.